Recently, we've been touring homes in Queen Creek's newest master plan community called Barney Farms. We are 2 videos in with 2 more to go. And in today's video, I'm giving you a tour of a larger floor plan that has space for up to 6 bedrooms. My name is Brandy Aguirre, and I'm a real estate advisor in the Phoenix East Valley, serving Arizona's cities such as Gilbert, Mesa, Queen Creek, Chandler, and Apache Junction. If you haven't done so already, make sure to tap that subscribe button because each week I post new videos about the real estate market, things to do in Arizona, and home tours just like this one. Barney Farms is located in Queen Creek, Arizona. It's about 40 minutes from Sky Harbor International Airport in downtown Phoenix, about 15 minutes away from Phoenix Mesa Gateway Airport, and just 5 minutes away from some of Queen Creek's best shopping, dining, and entertainment. Barney Farms is a unique master plan community by Fulton Homes. This neighborhood has a deep water lake meant for kayaking and small boating, acres of parks and green spaces, a neighborhood trail system, and a lakeside aquatic center. You'll also find a wide variety of sports courts including basketball, pickleball, volleyball, and bocce courts. Homes at Meadows at Barney Farms range from around 1,700 to 2,600 square feet. There are 4 single-level floor plans with the option to add a second-level loft to each floor plan. Today, we're touring the Prairie with Loft model. This home has 5 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and more than 2,600 square feet of living space. Upon entering the home and stepping into the foyer, you see this long hallway that leads to the kitchen and the great room. Before we see these rooms, we'll check out the laundry room and a secondary bedroom. The laundry room has built-in storage above the washer and dryer, and even more storage and a sink on the opposite side of the room. Outside the laundry room is a linen closet. This full-size bathroom is near the first secondary bedroom we'll see. This room measures in at about 10 feet long by 11 feet wide. Now let's check out the next secondary bedroom. Outside the bedroom we're about to see is another linen closet and a full-size bathroom. The door to the right leads to the 2-car garage, and with Fulton Homes, there are tons of ways to customize the floor plan. Some models even offer retreats, which are basically attached mother-in-law suites or additional master bedrooms. This room is similar in size to the last, measuring in at about 10 feet long by 11 feet wide. If you're building this home, you even have the option to trade this bedroom for an additional bay in the garage, making this a 4-bedroom home with a 3-car garage. Near the staircase that leads to the loft is a storage closet. We'll head upstairs to take a look at the loft later in the video. The great room features atrium glass doors that lead to the backyard and let in lots of natural light. The kitchen is beautifully designed and features unique pendant lighting, a large kitchen island, a built-in oven, a walk-in pantry, and 2 sinks. The master bedroom has a private door leading to the backyard. It also features a tray ceiling with added lighting. This room measures in at about 14 feet 5 inches by 13 feet 8 inches. The master bathroom has a massive walk-in shower with the bench, split sinks, lots of storage space with the lower cabinets, and a walk-in closet. Now let's head upstairs to check out the loft. The loft area offers an additional living room, or this space could also be used as a home office or a game room. In addition to the living area, you'll also find a full-size bathroom, a large storage closet, and 2 more bedrooms upstairs. This is the 4th bedroom, and it's the same size as the other secondary bedrooms at about 10 feet long by 11 feet wide. And here is the 5th and the last bedroom we'll see today, which is also 10 feet long by 11 feet wide. Now let's head back downstairs to see the outdoor living space. The backyard features a covered patio, a fire pit, and a seating area shaded by pergola. Homes at Meadows at Barney Farms start around $500,000. This specific model, the Prairie with Loft, starts around $624,000 and goes up in price depending on the features you decide to add. Remember that the average person building a new home typically spends an additional 20 to 30% for their upgrades, design, and their lot premiums. So to build this home, you could probably expect to pay somewhere between $750,000 to $820,000. If you're looking for a new home in Queen Creek or any other Phoenix East Valley city, contact me and I'm happy to help, whether it's a new build or just new to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't done so already, check out this video where I take you on a tour of a basement home in Queen Creek. Thank you so much for watching.